Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a repository in GitHub. First, navigate to your specific repository on GitHub. Once there, locate the Settings tab, usually found near the top. Click on Settings to access the configuration options for your project. Scroll down the page until you find the clearly marked Danger Zone section. This area contains critical actions, including the deletion option. After clicking the Delete button, a confirmation prompt will appear. It is crucial to read all the warnings presented on the screen very carefully. These warnings highlight the irreversible nature of the action. To proceed, you must accurately type the exact name of your repository into the provided text field. This step acts as a final safeguard, ensuring you are fully aware of which repository you are deleting. Understand that deleting a repository is a permanent and irreversible action. Once confirmed, all associated data, including issues, pull requests, and wikis, will be completely removed and cannot be recovered. However, it's important to note that any existing forks of your repository will remain intact. These forks are independent copies, so their owners will still have their versions. Before proceeding with deletion, always ensure you have backed up any critical project files or data you might need later. It is also good practice to communicate with any collaborators or team members about your intention to delete the repository. For projects you no longer actively maintain but wish to preserve, consider archiving the repository instead of permanently deleting it. This keeps it accessible, but marks it as read-only.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.